Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed in the last class, the important point is what that is mechanism, SN2 mechanism. Usually you know very well about that the nucleophilic substitution mechanism or a reaction divided into two types. One is SN1 mechanism and the next one is what SN2 mechanism. Last class we have discussed SN2 mechanism. S means what? Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, that is indicate what the reactant side you are going to get two reactants are there. One is the methyl bromide is there, another one is KOH is there. That is why in this case what the order is 2. That point we will study later, the difference between SN2 and SN1 we will study later. Okay. Next after that important point is what in this case the nucleophile is going to attack in SN2 mechanism is a backward, not a front. Backward attack is there, no, opposite of what Br. In this case Br is there, the nucleophile is going to attack, that is Br opposite completely nucleophile is there. This is indicate what backward attack take place on a electron deficient carbon. Why? Next question they are going to ask you why the backward nucleophile is going to attack, because there is no steric hindrance. What is steric hindrance? How does it exit? That point we will study in a SN1 mechanism. Okay. Next in this class we are going to study about the continue part of what SN2, that is what stereochemical aspect of what SN2 mechanism. What is the stereochemical aspect of SN2 mechanism we are going to study. Okay. Just here in this case important point is what stereochemical. Stereochemical means what is the stereochemical, what is the stereocenter. Okay. Just here in SN2 reaction, if the nucleophile attacks that stereocenter, what is the meaning of stereocenter? Just here is there, no, what is the name of this one? Stereocenter. Stereocenter means what? The carbon containing 4 different groups, that is called what? Stereocenter. I repeat, if the carbon containing 4 different groups, that is called what? Stereocenter. Okay. Then the inversion of the configuration across the stereocenter. Just here inversion means what? In this case there is a what? Just reactant side is there, next after that what? Product side is there is no changes. Okay. Inversion means what? In this case when there is attack on what? Stereocenter means what? Then 100% that is inversion of the configuration across the stereocenter. Okay. Next in this case we are going to consider one example for what? Stereocenter. Okay. Just here I am going to means what? I am going to consider a very good example. This is what? Carbon is there. Okay. Next after that in this case what? Attached with what? 1 CH3. Next after that in this case what? C6H13 is there. C6H13 you have to write carbon, 6 carbon you have to write, after that you have to satisfy with the help of what? Hydrogen. That is indicate what? Most important is what? C6H13. Next after that in this case what? 1 Br is there, attacked with what? 1 Br. Okay. Just I am going to change in this case what? That is a configuration, you know, below the group, above the group. If above the group is there, that is indicate what? Wedge type. Okay. Just here I am going to make this is what? Like this is indicate what? Wedge shape like is there. Okay. Dark is there, no. Okay. This is indicate what? Wedge. It is a look like a what? Wedge. C6H13 is there. Okay. That is what? Important. Okay. This is what? C6H13. Next after that in this case I am going to write this is what? Below the plane. Better I am going to use a different color. Okay. I think it is the visible or not, I do not know in video. Okay. Just here this is what? Indicate below the plane, this one is indicate what? Above the plane. Okay. If you are going to consider one paper is there, this is indicate what? Above the plane. Paper below is there, no, that is indicate what? Below the plane. Next one is what? On the plane is there. These two are indicate on the plane. This is what? Above the plane, this is what? Below the plane, means what? Backside of this blackboard. Okay. That is. Next what is the name of this one? Means just I am going to consider this is numbering 1 and this is a 2. After that 6 carbons are there, totally just here 6 carbon, 6, 7, 8, totally 8 carbons are there. If the 8 carbon means 100% what we are going to call octane. That is why I am going to take this is a minus. Why I am going to take a minus means what? If the plane of the polarized light towards left, that is called what? Negative. Do not worry about this one with the help of the experimentally we are going to find out. Okay. Just you have to bear in mind this is minus is indicate what? If the plane of the polarized light towards left. Okay. If the plane of the polarized light towards right means what? Positive. That is why in this case 2 bromo 2-bromo-octane. 2-bromo what we want to call 2-bromo-octane. Okay, 2-bromo-octane. Okay, this is what reactant. Totally 8 carbons are there, 6, 7, 8 carbons. This second position is having a Br group is there, that is why they called as a 2-bromo-octane is the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, just here this is what 2-bromo-octane. In this case what BROMO, in this case we are going to write one more O is there, no, 2-bromo-octane. Okay, 2-bromo-octane. Next, after that, in this case this 2-bromo-octane can react with what, aqueous NaOH, which is as like same as like SN2 only, but particularly in this case we are going to use a what, stereochemical aspect. This below the plane is there, above the plane is, this one is indicate what, stereochemical aspect. Just here this carbon containing 4 different groups are there, just CS3, Br, C6, H13. Next one is what, hydrogen. This carbon containing 4 different groups, that is indicate what, stereo center. Bear in mind this carbon is indicate what, stereo center. Next, after that you have to take this one, this can react with what, NaOH. I am going to consider what, aqueous NaOH. In aqueous NaOH or KOH almost means in this case nucleophile must be what, same, that is nucleophile is what, OH minus is there. In this case if you want you can take KOH, no problem. Okay. Next, after that in this case what happens, this is indicate what, OH minus. This OH minus come from what, NaOH or a KOH, that is what, aqueous or alcoholic, 100% aqueous. Okay. After that in this case this OH minus is going to attack on this, because this carbon is what, electron deficient, same what I told in SN2, same things you have to apply. After that, next in the presence of what, heat, in that case also if you want you can add a heat, means compulsory every organic reaction need heat. Okay. Next, after that what happened in this case, this nucleophile is going to attack on this carbon. Okay. This nucleophile is going to attack on what, this carbon. Automatically what happened in this case, this Br will go out. Okay. This Br will go out. Such kind of aromas if you are going to show, that is indicate what, mechanism. Okay. Obviously in this case Br will go out, the nucleophile is going to attack this carbon, the final product. Just here what is the final product, this one is what, carbon. Next in this case I am going to write what, this is OH is as it is, this one is I am going to write the same. Next point I am going to write what, here this one is what, H is there. Next, after that this is indicate what, above the plane, that is what, C6, H13. Next, after that in this case what happened, the OH is going to attack, plus release of what, Br minus, plus release of Br minus. Just here in this case same, in SN2 also same, the OH minus is going to attack at the back side opposite of what, Br. Just here this Br is there, this one is a what, indicate opposite directions are there, these two. The OH minus is not going to attack like this, OH minus is not going to attack like this. In this case what happened, the OH minus is going to attack what, opposite of what, Br. Okay, that is indicate what, the backside attack takes place. Next in this case what, this is the final product for this stereochemistry aspect. Next in this case I am going to consider this is a positive. Okay, bear in mind this positive is indicate what, if the plane of the polarized light towards right direction, that is indicate what, positive. In this case what is the name of this one, same, this is secondary is there, no, this is 1 you have to write. Next this is a 2 is there. Next after totally in this case what, 6, 2 hydroxy octane you have to write if you want. Otherwise if you are going to write, a IUPAC nomenclature means what is the IUPAC nomenclature, totally 8 are there, no, that is why in this case what, 2-octanol is a IUPAC nomenclature. If you want you can write 2-hydroxy octane you have to write, one thing. Otherwise if you want you can take another important point, that is called what, 2-octanol, 2-hydroxyoctane if you want you can write. Otherwise if you want exact IUPAC nomenclature, take in bracket, no problem, you have to write positive. Next one is what, in this case 2 is there, what is the name of this one, 2, exact, do not write 2, direct you have to write, no, positive, octane 2-ol, octane 2-ol or 2-octanol, that is also right, but this is a proper, okay, plus octane 2-ol is the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. This one is indicate what stereochemistry aspect of what SN2 mechanism. Bear in mind this process is indicate just here, if hydrogen is below the plane is there, hydrogen also below the plane, this C6H3 is above, this is also what above, this one is indicate what the inversion of the configuration. Retention means what, as it is, one more point is there, that is called what, retention. Okay, this is indicate what, inversion. If you know what is a stereocenter means what, the carbon containing 4 different groups. Okay. Okay friends, thank you, subscribe and promote the channel.